Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to download apps in laptop in Windows 10. So simply, first of all, what you need to do, just you have to go to Google Chrome, and after that just simply search here for the software BlueStack and simply search for it. So as you can see, this software is available here. So just open this software, and after that on the next page here you can see BlueStack 5 for Windows and for Mac available. So simply just what you need to do, you have to download this software, and after that when you download the BlueStack in your PC or laptop, so simply after that here you can see you can play games here, like you can see these games are available. So simply you can directly download games in BlueStack. Just you have to click here and download the games, and here you can see explore the more games. So just scroll down, and here you can see that all the latest games of applications available. After that you have options to download the Play Store applications, like you are using daily applications you can download in BlueStack. So now here you can go to again to Google and search for run Play Store apps in PC or laptop. So simply search here, just open this website PC Mac, and after that first of all there are multiple method mirror your phone with Windows. So just you have to mirror your phone with Windows, like the settings available in your cell phone. To mirror your phone with Windows, simply on the second number the software is available, like I have already told you, BlueStack. So with BlueStack you can download many apps, like here you can see the Play Store icon is available. So simply just you can download any apps in BlueStack. So with these two methods you can download or run application in your laptop. After that go to third one. So here you can see emulate full Android experience with GenMotion. So simply you can also download this software to run application in your cell phone. On number 4, run Android directly on your PC with Android x86. So this is another method that you have to download this software in your laptop, install Android apps from the Amazon App Store. So just go to Amazon App Store, and here just download the Amazon app, you can see. So just simply open this. So now here you can see in the Amazon apps the multiple apps available here. So simply Amazon app store you can download the application in your cell phone, and after that there are many softwares available where you can download the application in your laptop. So as you can see the Nox player is also available, the Memo player. So simply open the Nox player. So just download the Nox player in your cell phone, sorry, in your PC, and after that you will be able to run many games. So just here you go to App Center. So simply just you can search application even in Nox player. After that, just here you can see the Memo software. Just open this. So these softwares are very heavy, so just keep in mind when you install BlueStack or Nox Player in your PC or laptop. Simply it will take enough space and your PC or laptop will run very low. So simply you can see on the Nox Player you have all the basic applications available. So if you don't find any app, simply you have to install the Play Store in Nox Player, and after that you will be able to download all the apps in your laptop. Now here you can see the Memo Best Android emulator. So this is another emulator, just you have to download in your PC or laptop, and after that just here you can see also there are many games available here. So just you can download all these games and applications. So here you can see the Game Center blog. So just install the Memo Play in your laptop, and after that you have to install the Play Store, and just installing the Play Store you can download all the apps in your laptop. So you have got to know that Nox Player, Memo Player and BlueStack, so these are popular emulator. So you have to download in your laptop, and after that you will be able to run applications in laptop and your Windows.